Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you how works and what is the frying sensor function in Induction Hob Siemens. So with this feature, you can enable it by this button. With this feature, instead of repeatedly adjusting the power level during the cooking, all you need is to do is the select target temperature at the beginning once sensor under the glass measure the temperature of the cooking vessel and adjusting it in the real time. This function is available for any cooking zone that is marked with the frying sensor, so in this device, this one and this one. So in the first step, turn on your appliance, select the first or second heating zone and click on the frying sensor button. Now you can adjust the temperature from the minimum to low, medium, max. After that, just put your vessel and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.